So today we will see how to generate all the possible elements of a set, means of integer set. So what we will do is we will give the value of n, and it will generate all the combinations that it can contain, which means it will generate the to the power set of it. So let's see how to do this. So for this we will take the template of combination generator which we have done before, and the main aim here is to make the combination generator go from 1 to n, up to n, and we will give the brackets so that it looks neat, and that's all. So let's run this. So there is some errors possibly. No, it compiles. So yeah, we have to go from 1 to n. So let's change that. uh, yeah, it will be better if we can give comma among the elements, and it will go from 1 to n, and it will generate all the possible combinations. So yeah, it will work hopefully. N equal to 4, it generates the power set of 4. Now if n equal to 6, it will generate all the possible elements of the power set of 6, and for 9 and for 10. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned. Thank you.